Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to press the activity or start button to open the activity menu. Once you open the activity menu, you will need to press the down button to open the normal menu. Now scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Find the settings option, and once you find it and select it, press the activity button to enter. Now scroll through the menu again, find the system option. Once you find it, press the activity button to enter. Here find the option called the clock. Once you find it and select it, press activity button to enter. Now scroll down, find the option called set automatically. As you can see, by default it's on, but if you press the activity button, it will turn to off, and then the set time option will be appear basically on your watch, and then we can select it and press activity to change the time. And here we can adjust the hour, then press activity, adjust the minutes, press the activity, select AM or PM, and press the activity to confirm. And once you're done changing the time, you can also change the time format if you like to by selecting time format, selecting the time format you like, and confirming by pressing the activity button. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.